Whoa, Nelly. Ooh. Boy, I'm in the sauna right now. And boy, it's hot. Hot. You know what I'm saying? Woo. Man, I'm just getting it in, man. Like I said, man, we gonna get it in, man. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is we definitely gonna get it in. You know what I'm saying? Next time I put a picture on Facebook, I'm gonna be 285 wrecked. Trust me. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's gonna be. I promise you. Let's get it in, man. Let's just get it in. I'm in this sauna, burning the F up. Woo! But you know what? At the end of the day, man, it's all well worth it. It's all well worth it. Because I know, you know what I'm saying? I know we can do this, baby. And we gon' do this. That's what's up. One.